You're not gonna say it?
No, you can say it.
Okay. So you just gonna stay in the... That's not creepy at all. Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel, Makeup by Earn. Y'all see the creep behind me? That's my boyfriend. Say hey.
What's cracking?
He not shy. I promise he's not shy at all. We're gonna do a freehand makeup tutorial today with my new palette, the Nubian 2 by Juvia's Place. I think it's Juvia's Place. Juvia's, whatever, it's Juvia's, and it's amazing. Y'all know I use the Zulu palette all of the time. What? Yeah, so y'all see that I always use the Zulu palette, but today I'm gonna use my new Nubian. What are you doing? You're making a lot of noise.
Get out of the camera.
And for Christmas, my mom loved me so much and got me my Morphe James Charles palette. What? What are you doing?
Nothing. Keep going.
Oh, okay. So I'm gonna freehand my makeup like I said in the beginning. So I hope you guys enjoy. If y'all hear any crunching or sipping in the back, that's my boyfriend, Emmett. So, y'all already know the deal. I'm gonna start with my NYX eyeshadow base so that my colors can pop. That was so aggressive. So we're gonna go in the Zulu palette first for my crease, and we're gonna go in with this orange today. I always start my crease with an orange or like a light brown, but really it's always an orange. I think orange is a great transition color. You know, at least Emmett's entrance wasn't like my brother's, knocking everything down.
That's true. I didn't know I was on camera half that time.
You didn't? Okay, we're just gonna go in circular motion and blend so they don't look stale. Stale like chips. Ooh, you like that? So the reason why I've been gone for almost 2 months now, my skin has been trash. I've been breaking out really bad, and I just wanted to make sure my skin cleared up, but it seems like it's acting stubborn and it doesn't want to clear up. So I'm just gonna have to deal with it. Since this is a freehand, I'm kind of stuck and don't know which colors I really want to do today, but I know that I want to do another halo look for sure. While I'm thinking about it, the purple that I'm using, this is a big freaking palette. The color that I'm using is this purplish, pinkish. What color do you think this is? It's kind of like purple or pink.
Looks more maroon than it.
Okay, yeah. Maroon. Put in some orange back at the top so we can, you know, still have that pretty sunset effect. Have some dimensions. I might put some yellow on the top too. So that's another reason why I've been gone. Just trying to stock up on my makeup and have new things for you guys. Usually I use the dark purple in my Zulu palette, but today I'm gonna go in with this purple. It's not as dark as the other purple. I'm gonna stay very focused in my crease. Okay, so since we're trying to make this a little halo effect, I'll just do a little bit. Damn it. You sound creepy. You know, people skip through this and just saw you sitting there. They were like, what the heck is going on? Her house is haunted. It's not. I hope it's not. Emmy. Perfect. Okay, so now that we can just have everything blended and it's not too harsh, I'm gonna start blending in whatever eyeshadow I have on my eyelid. Okay, so now we're gonna go on with my newer palette and go on with the color Egypt in the center because it is just, it's that bomb. It's so pretty. So now we're gonna go on with my new eyeliner by Tarte. And after that, I'm gonna do my face and then I'll come back so y'all can see the finished look.
All of Me. I don't remember too many other songs, but I know.
All of Me, John Legend.
Yeah, but I remember we played Get Low by Lil Jon and East Side Boys and Yin Yang Twins. Yes,
Yeah.
I'm recording.
Oh.
What?
I'm recording now.
That's what you're gonna post that?
Yes.
Oh. Why are you mad?
You can come over here if you want to.
Why are you mad at? Is there anything in my way?
No. Well, y'all can keep talking.
Make a little extra.
This is the finished look.
The sweat off.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, they
My
make
brother
like
and Emmett are
67.
talking right now.
Like shit, I can do that.
So,
I would like.
I'm sorry.
I could be,
But, like I
shoot,
said,
don't
this
care,
is
I
the
could be
finished
ugly
look. And
still
I
make
did
money. I'd be
use my
like,
new
shoot,
Cover
I mean,
FX primer. So that's why I
refuse
have
to
a
use,
really nice dewy look, which I
my
love a
$100
lot.
million just to get plastic surgery.
I need to finish recording.
You having fun?
Can y'all step out real quick? Both of y'all. Y'all can keep that conversation outside. I'll tell y'all when y'all can come back in. Okay, I had to kick them out because they was just being irate. Well, really, my brother was being irate. But this is the finished look, and I got low-key disappointed because this look kind of looks just like my last video that I posted on here. But it's not. It's not. You get what you get. At least I posted something, right? So thank you so much for tuning in. I missed you guys so much, and I had so much fun doing this look with you guys. Make sure you follow me on my Instagram page, Makeupbyernn, MakeupByernn. Yeah, just show some love, show some support, and make sure you comment, like, subscribe. If you haven't subscribed already, make sure you do that now. And I will see y'all in my next video, guys. Peace out. Love y'all. Bye.